Signing!
Hi, Lingokids! I'm Libby, your curiosity coach. Hi, Lisa!
Hi!
Tomorrow, Lisa will meet a new classmate at school who is deaf. That means he can't hear. Or maybe he can't hear very well.
How can I talk to him?
Let's find out. You can use American Sign Language. Not all deaf people use sign language, but Lisa's new classmate does. For sign language, you use your hands instead of your voice. That way you can see what someone is saying. Like this. That means hello in sign language.
Oh, hello!
Try it with me. Tuck your thumb in like this. Now touch your head. Move your hand out a bit. Then put your arm down. Hello.
Hello!
Hello. We're signing.
Cool!
Let's learn some more words. Here's how you sign school.
School!
School. Let's do it together. It's like you're clapping, but your hands are in a special crisscross position like this. Start with your hands like this. Then clap them together 2 times. School. School.
What's next?
What do you do at school?
I teach my friends everything I know.
Really?
Just kidding. At school, we learn.
Let's learn. 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 Ready? Start with one hand here. Put your other hand here and do this. It's like you're taking something from a book and putting it in your head. Learn. Learn. What's another word you want to learn?
Play!
Play is a fun one to sign. Play. Try it with me. Here's how you get your hands in the right position. Start like this. Straighten your thumbs. And straighten your pinkies. Then wiggle. Play. Play. Who do you like to play with?
My friends.
Let's sign friend. Friend. Let's do it together. Start here. Do this. Then switch. Friend. Friend.
Friends forever. Yay!
Lisa can play, play, and learn, learn with her new friend, friend at school, school.
Yay!
Want to sign that with me? Here we go. Lisa can play and learn with her new friend at school. Nice! I'm curious. How are you and your friends different from one another? And how are you similar? Think about it.
See you next time!
For more curiosity time!